Since our establishment in 2005, we, Wuxi, Chuangneng, have played a role in the construction industry and have established a firm footing based on the principle of realizing social capital improvement. Thanks to the support of our customers, we have grown to a very famous exporter of small compaction equipment in China, as well as a large share of the European, Russian, and South American markets. At Wuxi, Chuangneng, you get reliable quality with very competitive prices. With years of experience in the industry, we have the expertise to thoroughly and efficiently serve our customers to the fullest. Our main products as plate compactors, tamping rammers, power trowels, vibratory roller, concrete vibrators, all passed the tests by the TÜV Rheinland, achieved the CE and GS certificates. We have a strong technical team in researching and developing light construction equipment, the strict quality control system, and our continued efforts to assure our customers high-quality, world-class products. Wuxi Chuangneng supplies to over 200 brands and exports to over 100 countries. We are able to carry out customization according to customers' needs, from family business to multinational corporation. Our permanent pursuit and commitment is to provide satisfactory products and a total solution for our customers. No job too large, no job too small. Wuxi Chuangneng can provide a wide range of equipment that can help you in DIY projects, professional construction work, and in anything that you've got your hands on.